It is 6 a.m. right now. We have been up since 4 and we are super excited to show you this. We were walking in the Berjaya Times Square area the other day and we walked by a restaurant where we saw this amazing looking pork belly. It's called Siuk. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. And as we began talking with the man behind the counter, he owns a couple of restaurants here in Kuala Lumpur and he invited us over to see the process of this and a couple of other dishes, and we're super excited.
Today at Canton Z, Chef Ken Ong is showing us how he makes 3 of his signature dishes: chicken rice, char siu, and suyuk. While he's prepping up the pork dishes, his staff is starting the famous chicken rice by first blanching the whole chickens in boiling water before they hit those cylindrical ovens.
Usually we use all the fresh pork.
Okay.
This is early in the morning. They slaughter the pig, then they deliver.
They slaughtered it this morning?
Yeah. Because we don't use the import meat.
It's all local?
Yeah, it's all local. This is all local. So this is. The pin is just for it to keep the shape nice. The spice, some herbs, to make the pork more flavor.
I like Chinese spice.
Yeah, yes, exactly. This is the one. We'll put some salt on this. This is a sea salt. Just for it to make it more crispy.
Right, draw some water out.
Yeah. You can see a lot of roast pork. They're crispy, but it's hard. The skin is hard.
Right.
And they are not crunchy. Berry also, the pork berry, all the berries. Okay, we marinate with the same spice and soy sauce.
Did you say cinnamon?
Yes.
Cinnamon, 5-spice, soy
yes,
sauce.
Correct. Soy sauce, some sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sugar make it more tender. There's no meat tenderizer. We don't use any tenderizer.
You don't use any tenderizer?
No. This is all natural. The typical part to do the char siu is to make it tender.
And how do you do that?
Soft and tender.
How do you do that?
The only way you can do it is because of the meat.
You have to start with good meat.
Yeah. We have 2 different types of meat. This is a lean. Some people they like the lean.
The lean, yeah.
The lean part.
The fattier the better with pork for me.
But if you try this lean, the part, this is very tender, very soft.
I'll try whatever you'll feed me, Ken.
Ken, at this location over here, do you get many tourists in this area?
This area, no.
They don't come over here.
Here is mainly our local housing area, housing and some office surrounding here. But the tourists is not.
They don't come over this
here.
area here?
They mostly is to my Nana shop.
By the Berjaya Times Square?
Yeah.
And how long will this have to cook in here, Ken?
This is around 1 hour plus. It depends on.
Here?
Yeah.
And that one too?
This also 1.5 hours.
1.5?
Yeah.
Pedaling Street.
Yeah.
We've been there, yeah.
So now we eject the skin. This also to let the water come out. Okay. And they will create the bubbles inside the skin.
It makes bubbles.
Yes. As many as as many holes as possible you can get. This will make the skin more very crispy. The skin will start popping up.
It's crackling. Wow. Okay, Ken is a master of his craft. He just walked us through how to make 2 of these amazing pork dishes.
Yeah.
They're in the ovens right now, those big circular ovens, and we've got to wait an hour or 2 and let them do their magic in there,
Yeah.
and then we will definitely come back to taste
Yeah,
them.
so we've been able to see the prep on the Siu Yuk and the Char Siu.
Char Siu.
And we also saw Ken is apparently famous here in Kuala Lumpur for his chicken rice.
His Hainanese Chicken Rice, yeah.
So we got to see the process of the chicken starting off there. We are going to order one of everything when this starts up. I cannot wait to dig into this. This looks awesome.
If you're interested in coming here, it's a little bit out of the main center of KL. It's in an area called Happy Gardens, which is awesome. The street is called Parisa Street.
Jalan Parisa,
Jalan
yes.
Parisa, and it is just lined with all of these local food stands. It looks amazing. We're walking by, everyone is up super early prepping all the amazing food.
Yeah,
It's pretty awesome to
cooking
watch.
their brains out here. Like Ken said, tourists don't really come to this area. So we're going to leave links to both locations of his in the description down below. If you want to venture out here, it's definitely worth coming to see. It's absolutely amazing.
This is we use the pork lard oil. This is the pig oil.
Oil from the pig?
Yes.
Oh, like the lard.
Yeah.
Beautiful. How nice that looks.
This is not ready yet.
Slower here,
Yeah. And then the raw material here is cheaper.
so you can get better quality ingredients for less
Really?
price.
Maybe 70, 60.
Back in the day, before my time, Ken. Before your time too, I
Yeah,
imagine.
before my time.
Yeah.
So the chickens you saw go into the oven earlier are cooked inside of the oven to about 80%. They finish them off in hot oil in a deep fryer to cook them off the rest of the way, and it makes the skin super crispy on them. But look how gorgeous all those chickens look. Basted in even more pork lard.
More flavor.
It's like the original recipe from Hong Kong, or?
Oh, this is original recipe from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Hold on.
just look for breakfast. Ken has brought us out one of each of his specialty dishes here. I'm gonna start with this char siu. You can see that like there is this lean meat covered by this fatty fat pork, and then this golden burnished crust from the time that it's spent in the oven. It's got a little dipping sauce here. Cannot wait to try this. That is absurdly good. It's so tender. Like I was expecting it to be like a little bit more to chew, but it literally just falls apart in your mouth. You get that gorgeous texture on your tongue from all that fat just dissolving on your tongue. The dipping sauce is a little bit sweet, and then you've got the crispness from the skin. This is unbelievable.
I am going to start off with a piece of this su yuk, because this is what I was most looking forward to, and this is what caught my eye when we first found Ken's other restaurant. We saw it hanging in the window there. Oh, Jesus, look at that. It's crispy outside. Come on. That is just insane. Fatty. The meat that is to it is super tender. The fattiness just melts in your mouth. The crispiness on the outside, it's done to perfection. Do you hear that? That may be one of the best things I've ever eaten in my entire life. I can't even stop eating this. Wow.
Unbelievable. Thank you. All right. Trying some of this chicken rice. Ken is famous for this dish. Yeah. It's just a gorgeous, simple roast chicken. As you saw, they deep fried it to get this beautiful golden skin. This is fantastic.
Let's give this char siu a try. We're gonna dip it in a little bit of the sauce. Char siu. It's insane just how tender and good this is. You have a mixture of more lean pieces of meat, and then you have some fatty pieces in here as well. This is oh my God.
It's shockingly good, right?
Like, I'm blown away right now.
And just look at this su yuk pork belly. It's they've drizzled it in some kind of sauce. It looks like either maybe fried garlic sauce, which looks amazing. Oh wow. The skin looks so crunchy. I cannot believe how tender this is. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's fried garlic. But you get this like, the fat just melts in your mouth, coats your tongue, and then you get that nice crisp skin. This is unbelievable.
All right, and this is Ken's famous chicken rice. You saw the preparation of the chickens there. They're done up to 80% inside of the beautiful oven that they have over there. The last 20% is cooked off in fat on a deep fryer. It's unbelievable. That chicken is so juicy. The skin is perfect on it. Yeah, this may be one of the best breakfasts I've ever had in my entire life. Oh, it's so good.
Oh my gosh. Look at the color of that.
Crazy, right?
Oh, it's so good.
It's so good.
Oh, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, this may be one of the best things I've ever eaten.
That is ridiculously good.
So they brought us out a traditional, I'm not sure exactly what it is, a traditional sauce that goes with the chicken rice. So I'm going to try this here, see how. There's a little bit of heat to it. There's a nice little ting in your mouth. This is unbelievable. I can't even talk right now. Oh my god. And that is all.
It's just so good.
So we really want to thank Ken, who is the owner, the chef, and our new hero for this amazing meal and for showing us how it's all cooked. There's already a big lineup starting to form here. Apparently you need to get here before noon because they sell out of everything that they make in the morning by then. We're going to leave some links down below to where you can find Ken's amazing restaurants. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Angela.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to see what we get up to next. Bye.
Bye.